today we are baking. Are you excited? Micah, do you want to show everyone your face? Micah's my little helper, and we've got our aprons on. We've washed our hands. We are ready. Okay, so we are going to make blueberry cupcakes. Now, I've got a special cupcake recipe that I just wrote out very quickly. Now, listen to the ingredients. 180 grams of butter. Okay, now this block of butter, do you know how many grams it is? It is 500 grams. So 180 is a little bit less than half. So when I cut it, let me get a knife. I cut it in half because that's 250 grams. Okay? That's 250 grams. Then I go 180 is just a little bit less than that. So I cut it about there. Okay? And then I put it in my bowl. Okay? I put it in my bowl. Ta-da! Micah, do you want to show everyone? Ta-da! Okay. Then I need 1 cup of sugar. But I don't like things very sweet. You know I'm diabetic. So, you know what I do? I hope this is recording. What I do is I halve it, or I make 3/4 cup. Okay? So, let me get my cup. Let me get a cup. Okay, my cup is broken, so I'm just going to use this cup. Okay. Now, when you bake, you can adjust the recipe. Do you know that? We just need to cut this open. Auntie Colleen, do you want to come say hello to the boys and girls?
Hello!
Do you remember Auntie Colleen? She's also cooking fish for us.
We're missing you at the school. We hope it comes back soon.
Okay, so then I'm going to take 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm going to do just over half because we want it to be a little bit sweet. But we don't want it to be very sweet because you know too much sugar is not healthy for us. But this is brown sugar. You can use any sugar. Okay. Then, Micah, can you put the cup of sugar in the bowl?
Yeah.
I'm going to show us. So Micah and me, we creamed the butter and the sugar together. And now we started putting in the eggs, okay? We cracked the egg into a cup in case it's rotten. You never know with the egg, okay? So now we're going to crack the next one.
We got 2.
How many eggs did I say? 3 eggs. 3 eggs, okay? The recipe says 3 eggs.
Then we got 1 egg.
1, 2. Micah, do you want to do the next one for me? Okay.
One spoon.
We don't have lots of space here because the kitchen's a bit full, but we make a plan. Okay, then we are going to put the 3rd egg in. Then it says in the recipe, you can add, after you cream the butter and the sugar, you can add all the other ingredients together, okay? So, but you must keep the blueberries for last. You don't want to beat those up. You want them to be nice and whole, okay? So we've done the sugar, we've done the butter, we've done the 3 eggs. Now we need 2 cups of flour, okay? Now this cup is wet, so I'm just going to quickly wash it and dry it. Okay. Okay. So now we need 2 cups of flour. Micah, can you hold the bowl for us?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we put it with a sieve. Now sometimes the recipe doesn't always give you the instructions carefully, so you must also think about what you're doing. The sieve is dirty. Oh, it's clean. There's the sieve. Okay, we're going to sieve the flour. Yeah. Okay, Micah, stand on your step and then put the flour in. Okay, so we're going to do 2 cups of flour. Shake it, shake it, shake it. You guys, I'm sorry you can't see everything, but it's 2 cups of flour. Okay. Okay, I'm putting another cup in. Oopsie. My flour's almost finished. It's a little bit short, so I'm going to open up a new packet of flour. There you go. Okay. So, just do that. Okay. Alright. Thank you for your patience. Are you having fun in my kitchen? I'm just filling it up, okay? So now there's 2 cups of flour. Okay? And then 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, so we're going to use this measuring spoon, okay? Wait, Micah, we got to sieve it in. Sieve, 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 sieve. Okay, you can go put that in the sink, Micah. Go put the sieve in the sink.
Yeah.
I hope you're going to all clean up after you've been baking. Okay, so there's our baking powder. Okay. Ethan also wants to see what's happening. Okay. 1, 2. You see, I make it nice and level. Okay. Make it level. 2. And. No, don't touch it. You mustn't touch it.
No, it's nice and cold for me.
It's a nice. Okay, then
This is cold.
we've got our sugar, we've got our butter, we've got our eggs, we've got our flour, we've got our blueberries we're going to put in last. Then, and we've done our baking powder. It's 3/4 cup of milk, okay? So you gotta estimate sometimes, okay, Mark? You can lick it just now. Then it's a little bit more than half, but it's not all the way to the top, okay? Then I'll put my milk in. Wait, Micah. Then we're gonna beat it, and then you can lick you mustn't lick the things until you've finished, because we don't want to share germs, hey guys? So we're going to beat it. Want to see? Okay, Micah, can you see? Okay. We've got to mix everything together. Then I'm going to put, Mom, do you mind putting the oven on first at 180 degrees Celsius? Warm the oven up. Thanks, Mom. Okay. Okay, wait. Now, there's a little bit of flour that hasn't been mixed in. So we're going to just try and get all of that together. Okay, so now we've done all of that. Yeah. Okay, guys, so you're going to get everything off the beater. Okay. Sorry you can't see everything, guys, but it's a bit difficult with the camera and trying to do this. I hope you're having fun. Okay, wait, Micah. Do you also beg your moms to taste, or is he the only one that does that? Okay, so then I'm going to take these off, and then Micah can lick them. Okay. You also like to lick. I used to love helping my mom in the kitchen and lick the cake dough. There you go. There you go. You see, now he can lick that. Okay, Micah? Alright, then we're going to put 2 cups of blueberries in, and then I'm going to put them in muffin trays, and then I'm going to put them in the oven. I will show you a picture when they are finished. I hope you enjoyed learning about measurement with me. Now for your homework, I want you to bake something and show me what you baked. And show me your method, okay? I want to see your recipe. It can be something really simple. Help mom or granny or your helper in the house or your daddy. Help them in the house and try to do something for me. Have fun!